Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notifications. Here I upload informative videos about binary option. To understand today's strategy, don't skip the video and watch till end. If you missed any part of the video, you could not understand the whole strategy. In this video, I am going to take one trade on Euro-USD chart at Quotex binary option platform. I will tell you how you can make a sure profitable trade in binary options. For this, I will not use any indicators or take the help of any software or bots. I am only trading based on current market conditions and key levels, chart patterns and candlestick patterns. Because the candlestick pattern itself tells what is going on in the market. That candles tell us and shows what will happen in the market. Be aware that most of the indicators or trades failed, taken with the help of such indicators and in losses. Because by the time the indicators analyze the market, the correct entry point is missed, leading to a losing trade. Well, you should have clearly seen that the market down very badly and took some time to stabilize. The patterns it creates look just like the waves in the ocean at high tide, but over time, just as the waves settle, they will show you the current market situation. Well, the market has been pushed back to the upward direction from this point, meaning buyers are here at this point and have signaled their entry. Makes higher high and higher low. Then the market came back down to the same support line. From here, once again the buyers pushed the market to the upward direction, and the candle that was formed, called Hanging Man. There are three reasons for me to take this trade to the upward direction. First, I double bottom. Second, a powerful support area. Third, a hanging main candlestick. But as soon as it was formed, I did not take the trade immediately, but waited for a while so that the next candle would not break the support line. And when I was confirmed that the market was going to go up, then I took the trade. But not for 5 minutes, traded with an extra minute. I take trade for 6 minutes of time frame. If you also want to become a profitable trader, then learn this process of mine. If you did not understand any point at once, then watch the video again and understand. Dear traders, apply this strategy on your practice account till then you become an expert, then apply on your live account. One more thing you should keep in mind, that never trade with your capital, and do not trading whole day. And if you want to try this platform, get link below in description. If you like the video, give it thumbs up. And write your comments in comment section below. As I already tell you main reasons of taking this trade. 1. The most popular candlestick chart pattern is double bottom candlestick chart pattern. Double bottom is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern that typically forms after a downtrend. It is characterized by 2 consecutive troughs of similar depth with a peak in between. The pattern is considered complete when the price breaks above the peak that separates the 2 troughs, also known as the neckline. The double bottom pattern can be a reliable indication of a reversal in the trend, as it signals that the bears have lost their momentum and the bulls are taking control. The first trough is usually formed when the bears are in control, causing the price to drop sharply. The second trough is formed when the bears attempt to push the price lower again, but the bulls step in and prevent it from falling any further. So we win this trade easily. This is a best strategy which I used. We will meet in next video with a different strategy. So keep watching and wish you all the best.